Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CRM integrations with Zapier and Airtable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Make as App. In the Trigger section, choose Airtable as your app. Select an appropriate trigger event, such as New Record. Click on Continue. Now, connect your Airtable account by clicking on Sign in to Airtable. You will be prompted to enter your Airtable API key. You can find your API key in your Airtable account settings. Input the API key and click Yes, Continue. After connecting, select the Airtable base and table you want to work with. Click on Continue to proceed. Next, test your trigger to ensure that Zapier can pull data from Airtable. Click on Test Trigger and wait for the results. Once your trigger test passes, click Continue. Now, select the app you want to integrate with Airtable, which can be any app available on Zapier. Next, choose an action event that suits your needs, such as create, record, or send email. Click Continue and then connect your chosen app account. After connecting, configure the action settings according to your requirements. Be sure to map the fields correctly from Airtable to the selected app. Click Continue when you're finished configuring. Test the action to see if it performs as expected. Once the test is successful, click Turn on Zap. Your integration is now live and ready to work seamlessly between Airtable and your chosen application. Keep monitoring your Zap for any adjustments or fine-tuning in the future. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded CRM integrations using Zapier and Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.